हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप। इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू कवर द मिड नाइट विजिटर. दिस इज द थर्ड चैप्टर ऑफ फुटप्रिंट्स विदाउट फीट supplementary reader. Students, in this chapter there are four characters. Ozibil, he is a secret agent. Fowler, he is a young and romantic writer. Max, he is splendid and little less than tall, and he is also a secret agent. He want to get important paper in Ozibil room. Waiter, he comes to deliver drinks to Ozibil room. There are 20 MCQ in this video we are going to cover. Let us start. First question, who is the author of the Midnight Visitor? Option A, Ruskin Bond. Option B, James Herriot. Option C, Robert Arthur. Option D, Victor Canning. Option C is correct. The author of this topic, The Midnight Visitor, is Robert Arthur. Option C is correct. Next, Ozibil was option A, secret agent, B, a LIC agent, C, a story writer, D, all of these. Option A is correct. Ozibil was a secret agent, means jasus. Secret agent means jasus. Next, Ozibil was a fellow. Option A, active and smart. B, fat and sloppy. C, tall and handsome. D, dull and boring. Option B is correct. Ozibil was a fat and sloppy. Sloppy means careless. Next, Fowler was A, secret agent. B, romantic writer. C, TV anchor. D, CBI employee. Fowler was a romantic writer. He was young. So, option B is correct. Fowler was a romantic writer. Next, how did Fowler feel after meeting Ozibil? Ozibil से मिलने के बाद फाउलर ने कैसा महसूस किया? A, excited. B, disappointed. C, overwhelmed. D, none of these. After meeting Ozibil, the Fowler felt disappointed. So, option B is correct. Disappointed. यानी कि फाउलर ने ओसिबिल से मिलने के बाद निराशा महसूस की. नेक्स्ट, हु डिड नॉट फिट एनी डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ ए सीक्रेट एजेंट? एक जासूस के वर्णन में कौन उपयुक्त नहीं है? ए फाउलर, मैक्स, ओसिबिल, none of these. Student, a Fowler is a young and romantic writer. Max, other secret agent who wants to get Ozibil's secret message. C, Ozibil, he is simple, normal. He is a fat and sloppy. So, Ozibil did not fit any description of secret agent. So, option C is correct. Next, Ausable and Fowler spent the evening in a music hall. Option A, French. Option B, American. Option C, Spanish. Option D, German. Option A is correct, French. Next, informed him that he would soon receive an important paper. यानी किसने यह सूचित किया कि उसे जल्दी ही कुछ महत्वपूर्ण पत्र प्राप्त होंगे? ए, ऑसेविल. बी, मैक्स. सी, फाउलर. डी, नन. ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. ऑसेविल informed him that he would soon receive an important paper. So option A is correct. Next, what does it mean by the pass key? पास की का क्या तात्पर्य है? ऑप्शन ए, ब्रीफ केस. ए ट्रंक. सी, ए बटन. ए की. ये वर्ड की है. ए की. ए की टू द डोर ऑफ ए restricted area. Restricted. So option D is correct. A key to the door of restricted area. यानी कि restricted area में, प्रतिबंधित क्षेत्र में किसी डोर की चाबी. So option D is correct. Next, Max entered Ausable rooms through the. Max Ausable के रूम में प्रवेश करता है किससे? बैकडोर. बी, मेन डोर. सी, बालकनी. डी, रूफ. So option B is correct. Max enter Ausable room through the main door. Option B is correct. Next, what does the important paper mean? Important paper से क्या तात्पर्य है? A, a report regarding new hotels. A report regarding new missiles. A report regarding new phones. A report regarding new proposal. Important paper means a report regarding new missiles. So option B is correct. Option B is correct. Next, who knocked Ausable door? Ausable का दरवाजा किसने नॉक्ड किया, खटखटाया? ऑप्शन ए, फाउलर. ऑप्शन बी, मैक्स. ऑप्शन सी, बोथ. ऑप्शन डी, none of them. Option D is correct, none of them, because Bater knocked Ausable's door. Next, Fowler wanted to meet Ausable because. Fowler Ausable से मिलना चाहता था क्योंकि he wanted to write something romantic about him. He wanted one of his own cases to be solved. Max had been troubling him. He wanted to spend a mysterious and exciting evening. Fowler wanted to meet Ausable because he wanted to write something romantic about him. So option A is correct. Next, how did Max try to escape from police? पुलिस से बचने के लिए मैक्स ने क्या प्रयास किया? A, to hide himself on the balcony. अपने आप को बालकनी में छिपाया. To hide himself in the kitchen. अपने आप को किचन में छिपाया। टू शूट द पुलिस, पुलिस को शूट किया। नन ऑफ दीज, इनमें से कुछ नहीं। ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट। टू हाइड हिमसेल्फ ऑन बालकनी। नेक्स्ट, but there was no balcony. Osebel was going to raise the issue of the balcony with. Osebel was going to raise the issue of balcony with A. Fowler, B. Max, C. Management, D. Organization. Option C is correct, management. Next, how did Osebel outwit Max? Osebel ने मैक्स को आउट कैसे किया? बाय मेकिंग ए फॉल्स स्टोरी, एक झूठी कहानी बनाकर। बाय शूटिंग हिम, उसको गोली मारकर। बाय हैंडेड हिम ओवर टू पुलिस, पुलिस को उसको सौंपकर। बाय पुशिंग हिम आउट फ्रॉम द बालकनी, बालकनी से उसको धक्का देकर। Osebel outwit Max by making a false story, so option A is correct. Next, was there a balcony? क्या होटल में कोई बालकनी थी? In which Osebel was staying? Option A yes, option B no, option C maybe, option D none of these. There was no balcony, so option B is correct. Next, there were no police. Osebel sighed. कोई पुलिस नहीं थी। Osebel ने गहरी सांस ली। He sighed because, उसने गहरी सांस ली क्योंकि he was satisfied with his plan, वह अपनी योजना से संतुष्ट था। He was glad there was no police, उसे प्रसन्नता थी कि कोई पुलिस नहीं थी। He was irritated with Fowler's question, वह फाउलर के क्वेश्चन से क्रोधित था। He was sorry that Max had died, उसे ये अफसोस था कि मैक्स मर गया था। Osebel sighed because he was satisfied with his plan, so option A is correct, because Osebel befooled Max. Next, Osebel made up a story to lay a death trap for Max, keep Max occupied till the arrival of the police, save the document from Max, vent out his anger against the management. Osebel made up a story to lay a death trap for Max, so option A is correct. Next, in this story Osebel shows great, इस कहानी में Osebel, he is the main hero of the story, a presence of mind, B, the ability to think quickly, act calmly and wisely, D, all of these. These qualities has Osebel in his character. He was presence of mind, he has ability to think quickly, he acts calmly and wisely, so option D is correct. All of these qualities we can find in the character of Osebel. Student, in this video we have covered 20 MCQ questions to understand all topic. I hope you will like this video. यदि आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक करना, शेयर करना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना। थैंक्स स्टूडेंट फॉर वाचिंग। टेक केयर।